Okay, we're going to begin to search for images to help you create your subject matter. Open a browser. Chrome or Safari will work fine, Firefox also. I usually prefer to use Firefox. Go to Google Images, so if you have to type in Google Images, it'll get to this screen. Type in whatever you're looking for your subject matter of your artwork. An example might be a Lamborghini, a certain kind of car. What I would do is I would use this search tools. I strongly advise you to use this. Click on tools, then go over here to size, switch it to large. This changes the resolution here. You'll notice when you put your mouse cursor over these thumbnails, the pixel width and pixel height of this image, pixel width, how many pixels are along here by how many pixels are along here. Those pixels are now above 600, which implies that it's high resolution. So I would find one if you're just looking for the subject matter without an environment. I would try to find it with a open background, such as here. This has a white background or transparent background with just the object. Do not grab the thumbnail. These right here are thumbnails. When you click on any of them, they open the higher resolution image in this black background window. Okay? This is the higher resolution image. Click, hold, and drag that to the desktop. Okay, once your picture is on the desktop, double click on it. It will open an app called Preview, which is this right here. Once this is open, you can see it at full resolution and that it's a large picture. On your keyboard, press Command P, which is print, or alternatively, you could go to File and go to the very bottom selection, which shows Command P. It's going to pop up this window. Okay, if you're in My Room, you need to print to P05. If you're in the library, you need to print to P09. These change the orientation, which way the paper is turned. And then these buttons, you can use these buttons to enlarge or reduce. In general though, because the subject matter that you're printing is going to be the focal point of your artwork, you want to make it as big as possible on the page to take up the most space. So we might be able to enlarge this a little bit. So I bumped it up to 45%. You could alternatively use the Scale to Fit button. This button just automatically fits the image to the size of the 8.5 by 11 paper. You could do Fill Entire Paper. That's one way of bumping it up slightly larger to fill the paper as much as possible without running off the page. Once you've got it the way you like it, you click Print.